Hi, my kinder friends. It's Mrs. Long, and we're going to be doing lesson 7-2. And 7-2 is addition using dominoes. Now, some of you might not have dominoes at home. Dominoes are a two-sided. This is an example of a domino, where there's a line in between and there's numbers at the top and numbers at the bottom using dots. Dominoes use 6 different kinds of dots. When we have the single 1, 2, see how the dots are arranged? This again connects with how we subitize with our brain. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, what if you don't have dominoes at home? We can quickly make dominoes. You're going to take a sheet of paper. You're going to fold it in half, like a hot dog bun. Crease the side, and then you'll fold it in half again. Crease it, and then fold it in half again. It's going to get tough to crease it, but it's important. Push your fingers along the edge. One more time we're going to crease it. Fold it in half. This is going to be the hardest one. You might have to have Mom help you. Crease it. Okay, so then we open it up and we can make our own dominoes. You're going to take each of these rectangles, 4 by 4, so there's 16 of them. Take out your crown, and we're going to draw the line halfway through, just like on a domino. Now, remember the pictures I showed you, how we arrange the dots. For example, this domino is 1 dot and no dots. 2 dots and 1 dot. 3 dots and 2 dots. This one's going to be 4 dots and 1 dot. Let's do this one 5. So remember, we have the 4 corners and the 1 in the center. And we'll make it for the 3. 5 and 3. Show you one more. And you can make lots of these. Fill up the whole page with them. But remember, it's important that we arrange them the same way we subitize them so that you can see them quickly. All right, so that's if you don't have dominoes, and then you're going to cut these up to make these your dominoes. Mrs. Long has dominoes that she has printed off, and I'm going to put out a few of them. So when we look at these dominoes, okay, this looks like plenty for what we want to do. So we want to think about dominoes. If we look at this domino here, how many dots do you see? That's correct. You see one dot. So if I put on Post-it notes or scraps of paper, the numbers 1 through, let's do 1 through 6. Well, these pieces of paper are sticking together. All right, there we go. So let's look at our dominoes. I'm going to push these down a little bit. And we are going to find what these two, so we have 3 plus 0 equals, and what is our sum? When we add these together, we get 3. That's correct. So I could put it here under the number 3. Good. All right. So what would your number sentence, if we were to write that as a number sentence, what would that be? What would that look like? 3 plus 0 equals, good, 3. All right, let's try another one. So let's look at this one. This one we have 1, and we have how many there? 0. So 1 plus 0 equals, oh, Mrs. Long's missing her 1. Where did it go? Well, that's okay. Oh, I found it. One. You are correct. So then you're going to write your number sentence. Okay? So it's 1 plus 0 equals, good, 1. Excellent. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. All right. Subatize with me. We have 5 plus 1. What is our sum? Exactly. 6. Write your number sentence. 6. Up. Well, that was my answer. So let's do 5 plus 1 equals 6. Excellent. Excellent job. All right. So then you would do that with all of your dominoes as you go through. This one's 5 plus 0. Where would you put that one? Under 5. Exactly. And then you'd write your number sentence. So that's one of the games we can play with the lesson 7-2. Here are a few more that we can play. We can turn the dominoes over and we can play against a family member at home, and it's called domino matching. And so the way you play it, here are the directions, and we'll go over them. What to do. You work with a partner. You deal out the number cards face up. These are your number cards. Face up. Each of you get the same amount of number cards. You put the dominoes face down in the middle, and then you take turns picking dominoes. Give the domino to the player with the matching number card. So, let's see. And then, of course, you can write your number sentence on a paper so that you can check whether you and your partner are correct. So let's try it. These are my partner's cards. These are my cards. And I'm going to go first. 2 plus 1 equals 3. I get that card. Now my partner's going to pick. Oh, my partner picked 4 plus 0 equals 4. Oh, that goes to my partner. All right, let's try another one. My turn. All right. 5 plus 0 equals 5. I don't have 5. I have 3, 1, and 2. My partner has 5, so that goes to my partner. My partner picks, he picked 2 plus 0 equals 2. That goes to me. All right, my turn. I picked 2 plus 3 equals 5. I don't have 5. That's my partner's. So we're going to put it down underneath. So, and that's how you play the domino matching game. Now, there is one more game that we can play for this lesson. And it is called Domino Concentration. All right. These are the dominoes. You'll need dominoes. Okay, you'll place the dominoes face down so you can't see them. You're going to want to play this. You can play this by yourself or with a partner. All right, so I'm going to turn the dominoes face down. This is domino concentration. You want to find matches so that the number sentences are equal. Okay, so I'm going to turn over one domino. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Good. All right, I'm going to turn over another domino. 2 plus a 0 equals 2. Do they match? No. So I'm going to flip them back over. They didn't match. All right, let's try another one. Turn this one over. 3 plus 2 equals, good job, 5. Let's see. Turn this one over. 5 plus 0 equals 5. I made a match. Yay! Now, if you're playing this with a partner, if you make a match, then, or if you don't make a match, you can switch and let your partner have a turn. You can take turns flipping over dominoes and matching them. Play until all the dominoes are gone. Okay, this is Domino Edition. I hope you enjoyed it, boys and girls. And it's so good to see you keeping up with your math skills. Bye-bye.